Right here we have petrified wood. It's imported from Indonesia. It's 6 feet by 2 feet. It's natural. So next step for me is to clean it and wrap it in a white foam. And then after that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my other piece on top of it and do the sides of the crate. Next step is I'm gonna put my second half on top of it, and then that's gonna give me the thickness of the sidewalls that I need. And this piece is gonna be shipped horizontally on its side, so I'm gonna have to add more cushion on here. See, the bottom of the piece is not straight or flat or square, so what I did is I cut out all these pieces of styrofoam and I kind of custom molded, fitted to the piece. So once this piece stands up, you'll kind of crush everything down and mold even better. Hope that makes sense. This is how it's gonna get shipped out. It's gonna be bolted to the pallet and off to the client.